Imagine being able to make money online simply by reading emails. Today's video will show you how to make money over and over again. If you read 10 emails, you can earn $50. If you read 40 emails, you can potentially earn $400. This strategy is completely free, so you don't have to spend any money to get started, and it's also available all over the world. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will be showing you a bonus tip that will make you earn twice as much implementing this strategy. The first thing you are going to do is visit Vindale.com. This website is where you can get paid by answering surveys, but you won't be completing any surveys in this video. Instead, you will be reading emails online. As you can see, Vindale has paid over $7 million to all its members worldwide. Before we get started, the sign-up process on this website is a little bit tricky because users from the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia are the only eligible countries. But if you are not from one of these countries, I will show you a way to sign up for free. So please pay full attention and listen to everything I'm going to say in this video so you can do it correctly. If you are not from any of the countries mentioned above, you will be stuck in this page. So what you have to do is visit this website called randomlist.com, or just go to Google and type in random list. Then click on the second search result, make sure it has the domain random list. After opening randomlist.com, you will notice these random generators. Make sure to click on random addresses, because this is how you'll be able to generate a fake US, UK, or Canada address that you can use to bypass the sign-up page. Don't worry, you won't get banned doing this if you do it correctly. But before you pick any address, scroll down a little bit so you can see if there are any options. As you can see, there are different addresses from the different eligible countries of Vindale. Now let's get started with the registration procedure. What I want you to do now is pick a country like Canada, then return to random list and pick any of these addresses as shown. After that, make sure to fill in your email, first name, last name, and your date of birth. Pick your gender and ethnicity and create your password. Ensure that you agree to their terms and privacy policies, then that's it. Click on continue. Please complete the following concepts form in other to continue membership. You must check all these 4 boxes. After a successful sign-up, you will earn a $1 sign-up bonus and also unlock up to $50 on high-paying surveys. Now, after you've signed up, you will notice 9 different categories. If you read emails on shopping and fashion and health and beauty, you will earn the most money. All you have to do is read emails on any or both of these categories. Whenever you pick any of these 2 categories, you will see this. You can earn $10, $1, or even $3.50. However, as you can see, there are many other options you can pick from. If you like this video and will love to see more similar contents, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.